In today's video, we're going to talk about 10 innovative ways to make $7,000 per month at the moment. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to be notified for future videos. The Great Resignment is a great phenomenon going on in the US at the moment. The number of people quitting jobs hit an all-time high. 4.5 million Americans voluntarily quit their jobs in the month of November. Most people are looking for remote work opportunities. Here are 10 innovative ways to make an extra $7,000 every month. 1. Join a high-ticket affiliate program. If you are looking to make massive profit with affiliate marketing, you should join a high-ticket affiliate program. A high-ticket affiliate program is a program that pays high commissions per referral, often in the range of $1,000 to $5,000. A good program to join is the Automated Money System. The program pays up to $15,000 commission for a single sale. It is a done-for-you program, so you don't need to build any fancy website or run any advertising. You just sign up for the program and pay for advertising, and they will do all the work for you. This can be a totally passive source of income. I place the link of the program in the description below. Number 2, use your skill to teach online. Everybody has some skill. If teaching is the one in your case, then it can help you make money online. You can go for tutorials regarding anything that you like, starting from cooking, dancing, freelance writing, or sketching and whatnot. Moreover, for this, you can find many platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Skillshare, where you can upload your course learning through videos, images, text, etc. Next, use your content to build customers and accept payments. You can also build one of your own with the help of the software like ClickFunnels and other platforms. Make sure to deliver valuable content to others, and in turn, people will happily pay you to learn it. Number 3, sell old books on Amazon. You can buy old books from various sellers or other online platforms. After having a potential book to sell, navigate to Amazon and look for its actual price. You have to then decide what price you expect with respect to the condition of book. Make sure you don't end up incurring any loss, as you also have to pay Amazon's fees of $2.35 plus 15% of the sales price. If you are making money now with such old books, list them in your seller account. This is something lucrative, which can be done part-time or in the weekends to make extra money. There are other platforms also such as Book Scouter, eBay, Half-Price Books, etc., which can help you sell old books and earn money. Number 4, earn through freelance writing. If you have the creative talent of writing, you can earn money online by creating content for other websites or blogs. The income of bloggers and influencers vary widely. A report from Glassdoor shows that a blogger's average income ranges from $19,000 to $79,000. Another survey of 1,000 bloggers interpreted by blogging.com found that 17% of bloggers are able to maintain their lifestyle with the money they earn. However, in this competitive world, you need to deliver 100% quality content to reach up such a high level. Moreover, content writing has really built its importance. So with tons of writing jobs available, it is easy to start writing, develop your skill, and earn money. Number 5, income online through photography. Photography is something which many people love to do. So if you have such a passion for photography and you can capture eye-catching images, you can use this skill to make money online. You can list these images on stock photography websites like Adobe Stock and Shutterstock. Then you'll receive payment when somebody purchases the right to use your image. You don't need to capture pretty snaps always. Remember, what you require to be unique is just original content. Also, it's crucial to edit the photographs professionally and store into certain file formats. Apart from photography, you can use other skills like sketching or painting, Photoshop, etc. to make extra money. Number 6, make social media your business. If you like to post your pictures or love blogging about the food that you taste, travel scenes, etc., you can make money out of it now. If you have a decent number of followers on Facebook or Instagram, just approach companies in your niche and they will be happy to advertise with you. This is a win-win situation for both of you, as you'll be earning from your passion and the brand gets to tap a new audience and potential customers through something unique. Number 7, build an online community. You can also monetize your online community to earn money online. Build a community through blogs and social media platforms where similar interest people are gathered. Also, you can build an online forum and ask people to pay for membership. You can use such mediums to promote and sell yours or others' products and services. If you're passionate about something and also like to engage with people that have the same passion, this is something you should certainly consider for earning well. Number 8, take an advantage of Google AdSense. When you visit any website, there are always Google ads popping up here and there. You can also add these to your site's page. Moreover, it's very simple to set them up on any basic website. If you have a website or blog, you can create a free Google AdSense account. After that, Google will provide you with a unique code, which you can paste onto your website. Google can then track your page algorithm, traffic, and the visitors directing from your page, etc. Once your website starts attracting a decent amount of traffic, it can be a very lucrative way to make money online. In addition, you can also generate AdSense revenue from your YouTube channel. Google will pay you a lot of money when people click on ads from your videos. Number 9. Avail sponsorship on your posts. If you have large social media audiences or a website, you can make money online fast through pursuing sponsored posts and ads. How does it work? Companies like VigLink are always looking for bloggers and website owners to advertise their product or service. So if you have a huge following, don't miss this opportunity to make money online in very convenient ways. Moreover, the figures in which you'll be earning depends on your popularity, so don't compromise on the quality of the content that you are creating for your audience. It will eventually let you earn huge. Number 10. Manage SEO and social media ads for clients. Another great idea to make money now is managing ads for the clients. Due to the increasing demand of digital marketing, each and every business needs SEO for popularity. If you've a decent extent of knowledge in this regard, then you can manage the social media accounts of brands or run Facebook ads, paid ads on YouTube or Google, etc. to make money now. If you master this art and start attaining huge conversion rates, you can make money online fast, and that too in a hefty amount. If you're thinking to make money online, the aforementioned tricks are easy to tap. Moreover, they need negligible or very little amount of investment. So, what are you waiting for? Start earning money with these quick and effective approaches now. So guys, this concludes a list of 10 innovative ways to make $7,000 per month at the moment. You will find in the description below the link of what I believe is the best high-ticket affiliate program out there. Give us a thumbs up and show your support in the comment section below. See you in the next video, and until then, keep smiling. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet, and don't forget to click the notification button. I hope you guys learned and enjoyed this video. Thank you, and have a great day.